The best natural shampoo for hair growth and thickness is egg yolk shampoo. Separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Then, mix the yolks with water, 1 teaspoon of lime juice or aloe vera, and 5 to 10 drops of peppermint and lavender essential oils in a bowl. The egg yolks will remove the excess oils in your scalp, while the peppermint oil provides shine and extra cleansing. You can apply this shampoo when your hair is either wet or dry. Just make sure to apply it on your scalp first. Second best natural shampoo for hair growth and thickness is Shikakai Cleansing Shampoo. To make the shampoo, combine 1 teaspoon of marshmallow roots, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 15 grams of shikakai, 2.5 cups of water, and 10 grams of soap nuts, Rethers, optional, it's a stronger cleanser, in a stainless steel pan. Then, bring them to a boil for around 10 to 15 minutes. Shikakai is known for being an effective home remedy for brittle hair and dandruff. With this very moisturizing shampoo, you won't need to use a conditioner anymore. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.